Today we're installing an F1 rear brake light for a 2015 WRX. To start off, you are going to remove 4 clips from the bottom. One's here, and the one's a little bit further out this way, and this way underneath. You can do it with a flathead screwdriver, and that'll give you access so you can pull this down and push that out. Once all 4 are done, it's easy to pull this back, and then that way you can get your little cap off and just kind of push it out. Now that the cover is off, you are going to get your bracket. Now, I'm doing it with the bumper on. You can do it with the bumper off, but when you put it with your bumper, usually it comes with clips, but they sent me with just these little attachments here. You're gonna put this facing down. There's gonna be driver's side is gonna be high up. Just make sure your brackets are on the outside of the plastic as well. And now you just insert your light through there. You have 2 screws that are gonna screw on through the back. And to remove this one, you can only take off 3. You can take off the whole thing if you want to, but there's one here, one down there, and then one here. And you remove it, it access to get it back here. Once you get your wires all through here, just go ahead and pull it so you have all the wire pulled through. So I got the plug and play harness with it. Obviously, kind of common sense, black on black, white on white, red and red, green and green. And then you just connect them to each one. And then after you connect that, you connect it to your brake light harness over here. So then you get this right here, and you pull them in half to make it thicker to go in there, and then you get some pliers to squeeze it through, and that's going to connect to that one. You disconnect your wire that's already connected to your headlight, and then you connect it to your harness that it comes with. And once you have all of them sliced in together, you then connect it to this one, and then you have your third brake light installed. There is a mode where it'll flash when you're braking, or it'll just be a solid one. You can do that by changing the lights 3 times back and forth. You have somebody help you out once it's changed out with it. There you go.